The developer who taught me this made $40K a month and hadn't written a single line of code in 2 years. Let me show you exactly what he did. You are not behind on AI. Not yet. But most developers are using it like a fancy autocomplete. And that's exactly why they're still trading hours for dollars with nothing to show for it. By the end of this video, you'll know more about scaling a tech business than 99% of your market. Stay until the last 60 seconds and I'm handing you the exact system prompt I use to automate the 80% of my work that used to drain my soul. No opt-in. No course. Just the tool. You're not here to code more. You're here to build systems that run without you. Let's get into it. What if I told you the task you did first thing this morning is the exact reason you'll never scale past 6 figures? Stick with me. Here's the lie the IT world sold you. Working harder means writing more code. It doesn't. Dan Martell built a framework called the Drip Matrix. And every developer I've coached is stuck in the same quadrant, the drain zone. Drain zone work keeps the lights on, but kills your ceiling. Manual documentation. Debugging code that should have been deleted 2 years ago. Responding to the same client Slack message on a Sunday night because you never built the system that handles it automatically. If that's your day, you're not a founder. You're an employee with no PTO and a boss who never clocks out. The production zone is where you belong, where you architect things only you can see. That's what commands a premium. But to get there, you have to stop selling your hours and start selling your outcomes. I'll show you exactly how here. Method number 1, automation. And I'm starting here because this is genuinely the most beginner-friendly way to make money with Python. And also one of the most underrated. Here's the reality of running any small business in 2026. There are tasks that happen every single day that nobody wants to do. Copying data from one spreadsheet to another. Sending the same email to 50 different people. Downloading reports and renaming files. Scraping information from websites. Processing invoices. Boring. Repetitive. Time-consuming. And completely automatable with Python. A small business owner would happily pay someone $200, $500, even $1,000 to build a script that saves them 10 hours a week. And here's the beautiful part. Building that script might take you a single afternoon. How to start? Go to any freelancing platform. Upwork, Fiverr. Search for Python automation jobs. You will find hundreds of them. Small projects. Clear requirements. Real money. Your first project might pay $50. Your fifth might pay $500. And every project makes you faster and better. Automation is where most Python moneymakers begin. And many of them never need to go anywhere else. Method 2. Freelancing. Method number 2. Freelancing. Now I know what some of you are thinking. Freelancing sounds complicated. Finding clients sounds hard. I'm a beginner. Who would hire me? Here's the truth. Clients don't hire the best programmer in the world. They hire someone who can solve their specific problem reliably. And with Python, even as a beginner, you can solve real problems. Web scraping, data cleaning, simple automation scripts, basic data analysis. These are things businesses need constantly, and things a motivated beginner can learn to deliver in weeks. The key to getting your first freelance client is this. Be specific. Don't say, I'm a Python developer. Say, I build Python automation scripts that save small businesses time and money. That specificity, that clear value proposition, is what makes someone stop scrolling and actually reach out. Where to find clients? Upwork and Fiverr for beginners. LinkedIn for more serious outreach. Local businesses in your area who have no idea Python could solve their problems. Your first client is the hardest. After that, every client becomes a reference. Every project becomes a portfolio piece. And the flywheel starts spinning. Realistic beginner earnings. $500 to $2,000 per month within your first 6 months if you're consistent and proactive. Method 3. Selling tools and scripts. Method number 3. Selling tools and scripts. This one is my personal favorite for beginners because it separates your income from your time. Here's the concept. You build a Python tool that solves a specific problem. You sell it online. Every time someone buys it, you get paid. Whether you're sleeping, whether you're studying, whether you're on holiday. That is passive income. Real passive income. Not the fake kind people talk about on social media. What kind of tools sell? Think about problems people face repeatedly. A script that automatically formats data. A tool that monitors website prices. A program that generates reports. A bot that automates social media posting. Where to sell them? Gumroad is perfect for this. You set up a simple page. Upload your tool. Set a price between $20 and $100. And share it with people who have the problem your tool solves. The first sale you make from a tool you built while sleeping is a feeling I cannot describe to you adequately. You just have to experience it. Start small. Build one tool. Sell it to 10 people. Then build another. Over time, these tools compound, and you end up with a small catalog of products generating income around the clock. Before I give you the system prompt, and I am giving it to you, let me tell you the one mistake that will make everything we just covered completely useless. Watching without acting. You are still early. I know it doesn't feel like it when everyone online looks like they're already winning, but most IT shops haven't touched 20% of what we just covered. The gap is still enormous. Here is your one action from today. Not 10. 1. Pick the single most repetitive task in your week. One deployment, one documentation block, one client email you copy-paste every Monday, and use the pull method to have AI handle it before tomorrow morning. That's it. 10 minutes of action beats 10 hours of tutorials every time. Drop a comment below. What are you buying your time back from today? It holds you accountable, and it tells me exactly what to make next. And if you're a tech founder trying to scale past 7 figures, find me on Instagram and DM me the word system. I'll send you my full AI implementation playbook personally. No funnel, no gatekeeping, just the actual thing. Stop coding. Start building. I'll see you in the next one. And in addition, the developers who win the next decade won't be the ones who worked the hardest. They'll be the ones who built the smartest, not the ones who pushed code at 2 a.m. The ones who had the clarity to stop, zoom out, and architect something bigger than themselves. The code you write tonight disappears. It gets refactored, deprecated, deleted. But the system you architect this week? That compounds forever. Every automation you build buys back an hour. Every process you document removes you as the bottleneck. Stop optimizing your grind. The grind was never the goal. The goal was freedom, financial freedom, time freedom, the freedom to work on things that actually matter. That freedom doesn't come from working more. It comes from building smarter. Start building your legacy. Not tomorrow, not after the next tutorial. Right now, with whatever you have, wherever you are. And remember, slow progress is still progress. One step forward, no matter how small, is still one step ahead of everyone standing still. Done beats perfect. Moving beats waiting. So keep going. See you at the top. You'll be the ones who built the smartest. The code you write tonight disappears. The system you architect this week, that compounds forever. So stop optimizing your grind. Start building your legacy. See you at the top. And remember, slow progress is still progress. So keep going. Make it bigger.